Hello, Dr. Kemp here, the Hammond Doc. This is a Leslie 122 amplifier that was sent in to Vintage B3 Oregon Incorporated for a professional rebuild. The client informed me that he purchased the rebuild kit from a reputable company, which included capacitors and resistors, along with some diodes. However, even though one might be able to purchase a kit online, it does not mean that they have the knowledge, the requisite skills or understanding of a Leslie amplifier to engage in the refurbishing of a Leslie amplifier. Look at the work that was done, and this is an example of the importance of sending your amplifier to a qualified technician in order to have the work done properly. This particular client would have been much better off simply sending the amplifier in to us as it was without ever purchasing the kit. Because obviously, I mean, this not only is this a poor work product, but it's not gonna function. Now, and it's this is a fire hazard. Work like this can result in a fire. The filter can capacitor socket has been destroyed here. Look at this. In all likelihood, the diodes that were there originally were probably still good. So there was probably no need to change those out. You know, look at that. I've never, I know that these particular relays, these mechanical relays, are not well respected by most of us in the profession to begin with, but I've never seen one without the cap on like this. But when I get these in, I pull them out and I replace them with a high quality relay anyway. So, bottom line is, if you have an amplifier and you desire to have it rebuilt, if your amp is not functioning, as it should. If it's blowing fuses, making noises, whatever it's doing that's problematic, please send your amplifier to a professional technician that has been trained to work on them. We here at Vintage B3 Organ Incorporated are here to service your Leslie amplifiers and your Hammond amplifiers and preamplifiers. The Hammond AO28 preamplifier. We service the Hammond AO39 amplifier and the AO44 amplifiers, and of course Leslie 122s, 147s, 251 amplifiers, as well as the older models of 22Hs, 47s, and 51s, all of those amps. So let me go ahead and get off this video because I got much work to do. It would have been better off for this client to have simply sent in his amp as it was before paying money to buy parts to install them in this manner. And I mean, wow. Let's see. Let me show you what it looks like on the top. So I got to do some cleaning as well. This is what it looks like. Looks like somebody's been spray painting there. Wow. Chipped motor socket here. So I'll have to replace that. This is a fire. Waiting to happen. Wow. All right, this is Dr. Kemp, the Hammond Doc. Send me your Leslie amplifier and I'll take care of it for you. Till the next video. Peace out.